Well, hello Rovers. In this special episode, we're not actually at Rover's Rest. I'm here with my friend Brian. Brian's been a great help to me while I've been moving to Rover's Rest. And you know, in the country, when someone helps you want to help them back. Now, Brian has a wood lot, and on this wood lot, he's had a number of trees that were brought down last year by Hurricane Dorian, and he needs to clean it up because he's doing a very interesting build here this summer as well. So I pulled my old chainsaw out, and happy to do so. It's been over 4 years since it's been running, and will it start? I have a pretty good feeling it will. You know, I've been pretty good about maintaining my tools over the years. So anyway, let's crack on with it. All right, so first thing you want to do is fuel up the saw, and there we go. Can't go wrong because there's fuel that goes inside here and oil, bar oil over here. Now, if you see it, there's a little symbol here. It looks like a gasoline pump plus oil, which means you need mixed gas. So it's a 50-to-1 ratio, and that's what's in this container right here. There we go. Phase 1. Now, phase 2, putting some bar oil in. Oh yes. There we go, nicely done. Put the cap on that. And I'd just like to show you the nice tools that I'm working with. This is Brian's very best file and handle. I'll be careful with it, Brian. I don't want to break it.
My saw, are you?
Is this your saw?
Yeah.
Can't have that. All right, let's get this party started. Nice, nice.
Went down faster than I thought. I didn't get very much in close on you.
So Brian, why don't you let the Rovers know what are we doing here today?
Well, we're taking down a few trees for sure.
It's a nice windy day for it too.
Yeah. No, I have to clean the lot here. I'm planning on putting up a building. I got about 30 more trees this way to take down. I've got 3 trees over there to where my electrical is going to go in, and then I got about 14 trees where my driveway is coming in.
So what's the big picture though? What is it that you're building here? Is it a house?
No, I'm going to put up a pole barn so I can build a sailboat inside it.
Pretty ambitious stuff, I'd say. Looking forward to being a part of it. And well, we better crack on getting those trees down. What do you say? All right, so we have about 7 trees down right now. And, you know, that's not a lot. We have a lot more to go, as Brian said. But we need to get all the limbs off of these guys. And Brian wants them bucked into 4-foot lengths because that's the length that he's determined is best for him to manage, because this is all going to be firewood eventually, probably next year. So anyway, we're going to have to crack on with this if we want lunch today.
No thumbs up allowed until the job's done.
What job? Come on, Brian, look a little lively there.
1, 2.
That's
1, 2.
This one looks a little heavy, Brian, so maybe I should take it.
I was thinking it was looking a little small.
Oh no. Okay, so we have one last tree to take down, but if you can see pretty much directly above my head, there is an abandoned nest in the tree. So it'll be very interesting to see what it looks like. Now on camera right now, it looks very small, but I can tell you it's a type of nest that would be frequented by something like a hawk or an eagle or a raven, some large bird that we have in these areas. Anyway, when it comes down, we'll get a close look at it. Out of gas? All right, we've refueled the beast. Now let's see if it'll start. We have spark. Very, very nice. Exactly where we wanted it. Excellent. This is the underside of the nest. I mean, this is the angle you normally see it at, but you don't get a close-up like this. You can see, look at that, there's a certain amount of mud, good sized twigs. We're probably talking almost 2 feet in diameter. Well, let's go onto the other side and see what it looks like from the top. Well, here we are. We're about 40 feet up the tree and we're looking at this nest. So it's a pretty good size. I'm going to stick my hand in there so you have a sense of scale. So the bottom is at least a hand width. They're heavy branches. This wasn't made by a sparrow. If anybody can tell me what kind of nest this is, please, I'd appreciate that. Wow, you just don't see craftsmanship like this anymore. Well, Rovers, that was actually a great day. This is almost like a holiday for me because it's been over 4 years since I've used the chainsaw, and it's just really nice to get out here in the woods, especially if I'm helping out my good friend Brian McIsaac. Brian, do you have anything you want to say?
Thank you very much for all the help.
You're very welcome. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching. Good.